Hello, my name is Mike Wagner. Welcome to this new micro course. This is something we're testing to have short courses that only take a week or 2 weeks to complete that will help you start a side hustle business or pocket business. In this course, we're focusing on a service you can provide to small to medium sized businesses or people you know who work from home to make their living. The bandwidth as they are trying to take care of their computers is expensive, as you know. And to keep their computers running well, they need to be patching their machines every month. Microsoft releases a significant security patch every second Tuesday of every month. It gets overlooked and skipped because either the auto update doesn't work, or when you do get it to work, you're downloading a 600 to 750 megabyte file that takes 3 to 6 hours to download. And a lot of people just give up because they think it's not working because it's so big. And as we go through, you're going to learn how to provide those monthly patches, do some virus cleaning. You'll also clean infections from computers because all the computers you run up against are going to be infected. You'll also be able to provide some emergency cleaning services. You'll learn about Malwarebytes in this course and how to use it. And we'll have another follow up course to go more deeply into cleaning up the computers. You'll also track the work you do for your customers. We provide an open office spreadsheet and show you how to install open office so that you can get started with the spreadsheet, which you can modify the spreadsheet if you'd like. Also, we'll talk about how you go about collecting monthly fees for the services that you're providing. At the end of the day, the value you're providing to small businesses is you let them keep their computers longer, running faster, and you're protecting their data, especially those businesses where they're selling things to the public. They need to protect all that information. I hope you enjoy this course. Some of the things that you will need in this course are a laptop, and I recommend taking this course on your laptop because we're showing screenshots and video of computer screens. And so on your phone, it gets fairly small and hard to see. So use your laptop. Also, you'll need two thumb drives um, after the course. You don't need the thumb drives for this course. And we recommend a 4 to 16 gig thumb drive. And then your cell phone. That's all you need to get started with this course and be comfortable with a computer. And what I mean by comfortable is you're comfortable installing software and installing patches. And I hope this is valuable. I appreciate any feedback because again, we are just getting started. And this is something I did in Uganda when I was there, and we found it to be quite valuable where people were just not patching their computers and they just didn't last as long. So I'm hoping this will be valuable, and I look forward to talking to you more. Thank you.